Today I'm going to paint in this little journal that I made out of some Hahnemuhle watercolor paper. And I just bound it into this little cute 2-inch square book that I painted circles in. And I'm going to show you how I did it, or how I painted it. I'll make another video on how I made the journal. I just have my little blank pages, and I'm going to take each of these pages, I'm going to put a different colorful circle. I intend to doodle over these later. So I'm actually just experimenting with color combinations and seeing how colors blend together, how the watercolors merge when they're on the watercolor paper. Every watercolor paper behaves differently, so it's always it's always good to try your watercolors on your different papers. This paper, I really love the way the colors move on the paper, and when it dries, it's just beautiful. So I intend to doodle over this, so I'm going to keep the colors kind of light and not too saturated, because I do want to go over it with some pen or maybe some more watercolors. But I'm going to try different color combinations and see what happens. And I'll watch some colors as they just sit, and maybe some will be granulated and some will just spread beautifully and merge with other colors. So this is kind of the time just to enjoy, not worrying about the final result, but just enjoy seeing colors dance together. So now that I have all my circles painted, And I've given it a little bit of time to dry. I did notice some pretty serious puddling on the paper. So I'm taking a brush and I just dampen it, and then I just dab off most of the moisture with a paper towel. And when I put the brush tip into the puddle, it siphons it without disturbing the color too much. I mean, a little bit of lightening occurs, but not too bad. And if you get puddling that is that serious, it may not look good at the end when it dries. So just go ahead and do that when that happens. And I'm going to turn this, once this dries, I'm going to I'll put doodles over that, and I'll show you that process in the next video. Thanks for watching.